Okay, here we go. Going through the jungle. What do you see?
This.
Oh, what's that? What is it? Ooh! That's a bit scary. Ah! Thank you. Now the movie will see it. Now let's see, where else do we go? There's the water.
Let's go skip there.
Should we go investigate? What do you see?
Put this. The water.
Okay.
Blue.
What's that?
That's a cap for a bottle to drink.
Oh, okay.
That's the only center.
Oh, thanks.
Let's go put it to one. Let's go this way.
Wow.
Wow. Never seen this before. Whoa. Mommy, waterfall, Mommy.
Yeah, where? The Don Valley River. Woo. Awesome that this is our backyard.
I'm just not my sand. Whoa.
Oh, okay.
Anyhow.
Do you want to try with your feet?
No. No. Let's do it.
Here we go. In?
Inside.
Oh. Mommy trying to film a movie and try to put on your sandals is something funny to watch. And Mommy sounds like she's got a really bad cold. Can you push it in? Thank you. All right, there you go. Woo! Any fishes in here?
No. Look at that cap in there. See that
Did you throw the cap in the river?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know if that's a good spot for it.
Whoa! Let's do that. That was cool. How about this one?
Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, that was big. Storm. How about this one? Oh. Oh. See that splash?
That was a big splash. See if there's any fishies in here. Oh, someone tried to go fishing and got their line caught there.
What's fishing?
Could there be fishies in here?
No. Let's go splash some more.
Okay.
We're going to do it here.
Aiden, look, another path. What's this? Do you see the path? We're gonna go check it out.
Good luck.
Ooh, here I go.
Oh, stop. I got a good luck. You get good sure luck. Good luck.
Ooh. Ah.
Let's go see here.
Okay.
And go store the water there. Let's go store water down there.
Whoa.
Let's go careful. You would step. You won't go near there.
No? It's dangerous, right?
Yeah. We're going to right there by that big rock. Okay? Deal?
Deal? Deal to what? What are we doing?
You're staying by that big rock. See it?
Oh, I think that's a little too far down for us to go. Because this water is very fast. Right?
Yeah. It looks like those are fast. These are not fast. These are slow.
Oh.
Those are fast. This is
Yeah, but that's
fast.
dangerous down there. I could lose my footing and you could fall in the water.
You lose. No, let's go back to the beach.
Okay, we'll go back to the beach.
Yeah. Our own beach.
Is this our beach?
Yes, it is. Don't run into any sand, so you don't get sand in your sandals.
Okay.
This one. Yeah, walk down really carefully.
Oh, okay.
Don't get sand in your sandals. No, I'm gonna go this way. This way is much more easier.
It looks easier.
Help.
I thought it was supposed to be easier. Whoa!
I'm okay.
That's good. Here we go.
Don't forget to pull. Go.
No go trains.